Hey everyone, thanks for jumping back. So let's talk about Tesla today. So there was a pretty good decent fall that we have seen in Tesla, around 9% fall. Right, we have seen today based on the results were out, and however, let's see what do we see next for Tesla. Okay, so currently we are first go to the weekly chart and see some major support and resistance levels, right? So as you can see that from the beginning, if we take the chart of Tesla, the chart was trading in these two parallel lines, and usually when we go into the higher time frame, these parallel lines usually act as a very good support for us, you know in order to base our uh, uh, next action that probably the chart or the stock can take, right? So seeing that, we can see that it clearly broke out of this parallel channel right here. It clearly gave a good breakout, and after that it also went very close to its actual target at that point, which is 300. And just before it reached that, it got rejected right at $299. So 300 or any round figure is always a psychological level which gets respected, where people start taking profits off the table. And because also you can see that this level was acting as kind of did act as a resistance in future, right? In the past, sorry. So it is expected that even now this is going to act as a good level of resistance. But still, seeing this chart as well as RSI making higher high and higher low, it does seem that we don't see actual turn of events, right? We don't see that the chart has clearly given us a sign that hey, now it doesn't want to move up anymore. It's a short term pullback that we have seen here, right? If Tesla is able to take support on this particular channel here in the upward channel, and if able to take support from here and bounce above and and start moving it to the upside, then it will become more obvious that we are definitely in an uptrend. And soon, in the next months or even year to come, we may see an all-time high for Tesla, right? But that is yet to be decided, right? It has to hold this upper channel, it has to show us the strength and form kind of a important bullish structure which will give us more confidence on this. Okay, so that's on one side. Let's go into the daily time frame and see what is happening. So in the daily time frame, we are seeing a recent low has been broken. Let me quickly mark that. Yeah, so this low, which was at 262 level, has been broken today. Let's see how does it react tomorrow. It's end of the week as well, so we definitely need to be very careful and see what exactly it does. In case if the weekly close happens above 260 level, and it gives a good close above that, then of course we do expect Tesla to continue to perform better and continue to move upside. All right, if the weekly close is going to be below, then we can then later expect levels around 240, right? And it may just consolidate at this level, showing a strength, right? And after that, once it's ready from a particular consolidation level, then it may start moving upside. Okay, so what do we expect? We are expecting a consolidation for some time period, right? We want RSI to continue to cool off. We have already seen it has cooled off. Here we were clearly seeing divergences, so divergence were occurring, and we want RSI to cool further off. And once it is done, we and a specific consolidation also happens in this area, then that will be just an accumulation period for us, where we can accumulate more Tesla stocks, of course expecting for a further run upside. Okay, so that's what we see in Tesla. There's nothing much to worry as long as it is staying above this upper channel. We don't want it to lose this channel. um, Getting inside this channel is going to be bit we'll be getting more concerned then. And then the not only Tesla, then of course we'll probably see the similar structure happening in other stocks as well. So let's keep a good eye on this um, on this particular chart. Moving to 1 hour time frame, let's see what we see. Yeah, in 1 hour time frame we have seen already that RSI has formed is at an oversold level. So I may expect to a good bounce here. A quick bounce may come in order to support RSI. Giving a 1 hour divergence will in RSI will be pretty ideal to see if the prices are going to move up quickly or not. So let's see how the market turns out tomorrow, and that will also give us a better picture for weekly closure, right? So yeah, still hopeful. We are still in the higher time frame. We see we are in a clear uptrend, right? So there's no shorting or nothing to panic at the moment. The way the rally it has given from so quickly, from these levels where it has almost had bottomed out, which is 153 levels, uh, going to 300 in such a short time frame is already incredible. So as soon as the more quickly a stock goes up, we also see when the pullback comes, pullbacks are stronger as well, right? So let's be positive and yeah, utilize the opportunity to accumulate. Keep in mind higher time frame, because that's what is more important, not the short term period. Okay, so that's all about Tesla. I've marked clearly the levels, so keep an eye on them, and we'll talk